Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot Payoneer app not opening. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so one of the first fixes we can try is simply click and hold down the Payoneer app, click on the I to get in the app info. From here, scroll down lower, click on the storage, click on clear cache, and then clear data, and then go ahead and open up your Payoneer app. Fix number 2 is to make sure Payoneer app is up to date. So go to your Player App Store, search for Payoneer, and now make sure that is up to date. So if it says update, go ahead and update it, then open it up. Also, check your internet connection. So ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection, and also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Another thing that tends to happen from time to time is the Payoneer servers may go down. So for reasons for maintenance or technical issues. So you can always just do a Google for Payoneer's status page or go to Down Detect and then type in Payoneer to see if others are reporting similar issues to yourself. Also, if you're running any VPNs or proxies in the background, just simply disable them. And the last thing what we can do is simply go ahead and uninstall the Payoneer app. So click on Payoneer, click and hold it down the Payoneer app, click on uninstall, and then go back to your Player App Store and re-download Payoneer. And then from there, restart your device, sign back in, and your problem should be fixed.